Hi friends, how are you all? I hope you all are good. My name is Sanju and welcome to my channel English with Sanju. In tonight's video, I want to discuss a rhyme that I've written. You can call it a poem, a short poem. And here I will talk about rhyme schemes. In the first two stanzas, I have used the rhyme scheme between line 1, 3 and line 2 and 4. And the last part of the poem is a couple of lines. So obviously, those lines rhyme with each other. Line 1. The end lines rhyme with each other, 1 and 2. So that is how it is. So this is a poem about never quitting what you're doing, even if you're not acclaimed in it or you're not famous at it, and never stop being kind just because you're not being appreciated at it. There are many people who are fault finding, complaining, and those who are just plain jerks who are never going to value what you do, and they must be dismissed just like they dismiss your work or your value. So let me begin the poem. It is a divine duty to believe, to never quit. Humanity is such a beauty. Ode to kindness, creativity, and wit. In these lines, I'm trying to say that it is a duty to keep working hard and to never quit something that we are passionate about, and that we should be good human beings and keep doing good work. For kindness is something that should be there in every human, and humanity is nothing but the greatest virtue of all. And in the last line, I am trying to give compliments to those who are kind, who are creative, and those who are witty, because all these three things bring happiness. What is selfless work? There are lot of people who are going to say, what is selfless work? We have to be selfish and we have to see if something is giving us acclaim, popularity, and all. They don't believe in being selfless or just in trying to do something that you love doing. Some people will call it charity. Oh, okay, that's for charity, and they'll try to dismiss it or underestimate it. You can't do anything about it. Bother not for that condescending jerk. Don't be bothered by such people. They are jerks. As I said, they are really jerks. Many lack sincerity and clarity. Some people are not sincere towards their work, so they are not sincere. So why bother by it? But why be bothered, or why be affected by them? And some people don't have the clarity to see what you are capable of. So if somebody does not have clarity, you should sympathize with that person, right? Why give why give yourself a hard time just because they don't understand you? The last lines. This is an example of lines where line 1 rhymes line 2. Those who care are elite. Those who care for you are rare, and that's why you should keep them in premium elite category. Remaining are worth ignore and delete. Those who don't care about you, who don't value you, they should just be ignored. You just have to completely, ultimately ignore them. They don't exist. Even if they're around you, they should not have an impact on you. And delete those people who do not give you a positive vibe, or those who do not have a good function in your life. So I hope you like the poem, and you got a little bit of rhyming scheme, how you can rhyme line 1, 3 to 4.